this'll work. This box is a fun box because it makes you go crazy.
Your armor and wrench attack have been greatly increased for a limited time.
Except I only have one. Damn you. We want more ammo. More ammo is important. Also want more bolts. Because bolts are important. And then I think we can jump. Long jump, please. You're dead. You're gonna be dead. Anything? I thought. No. Shit, it's not there anymore. Okay. We're gonna have to do this old school. Not really old school, new school, because this wasn't in the old games. At least I don't think it was, unless it was in Ratchet 1. Hit the with the whip of doom. Ow, that hurts a lot.
To jump between walls, jump, then press X in midair while next to a wall.
That's where we want to go to get the trophy. So slow, Ratchet. Go faster, please. I would appreciate it. Is this where we're gonna go for that? Guess not. Okay. Oh no, I remember how to do this. I think I do. Go here. Bolts. 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 I smelled steak. That sounds like good to Steven. Okay, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Come here and I'll kill you. Wanna try again? I'll kill you again. So now I don't have a whip anymore. I'm gonna use this if I want to kill more people. See, is this the way? What's my first person? I don't remember where that dude was. This is where he is. I just don't remember exactly. Here we go. This is what we wanted. Ratchet! The trophy. I'm probably not going to get all the trophies. I don't know where they all are. I should know where they all are. Because I have the guidebook. Where do you go? Oh, you just go back here? I hate you. Anyways, we're going to run back to do some freaking forward trekking. Yes, lady, you told me this earlier. No, we want to go this way. This fine. I think there's another titanium bolt in here somewhere. I just don't remember where it is. Oh, I know where it is. I don't think I can get it. No, don't. Damn it. Oh, we get to see me do that all over again. Lovely. My 3 people who probably view this, or might, possibly, I don't know. Oh, it works. Now, jump. Jump, Sephiroth. No, too much Final Fantasy 7. I'm sorry, that was bad. Charge! Shoot, 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 shoot! Those take too much health! Gotta cock the gun, go... Not really, you don't have to cock the gun, he just does that because it looks cool. Alright, get the people here. Actually, I'm gonna use this gun. Let's go in the water, where I told you to go, and then you will die because I blew you to hell. They don't give you much ammo for the big guns. At least I don't think they do. Stop! Come on, get the damn ladder. There we go. Now! Stop trying to hurt me. That hurts. I don't like it when people hurt me. Especially when I'm ratchet. Especially later in the game. I'm not gonna say that. That was bad, Steve. Why would you say something like that? That spoils me. It's a game for them. Shoot you with the iron cannon gun! Roar! Roar! I'm gonna kill you! Hey, that killed him in one hit. That's kind of ridiculous. Music kick gun is kind of useful. I like the shock blaster better though. Then we're gonna climb this ladder. Now, attack! Give me that! Thank you, I needed that, please. Thank you, I love you, game. You know I do. Where?
Behind you. Very funny. Having a good time.
Death! Fine. I'll do your damn half of that. Alright, there is a thingy for this. I don't remember what it's called. Oh yeah, it stays squeaky clean. You can't get hit. And you can get a skill point for it. You can use those to use cheats. Which, most of the time they just make you, there's one that makes your head big. There's one that makes Clank use his secret agent Clank thing. Yeah, I'm ready. Failed it. But, yes, I'm not gonna get this one. This one bugs me. I won't be going for those either. I will be trying to get titanium bolts, so. I don't know where they all are. I don't remember where they all are. Ow! Stupid fire. I want food. Yes, come through here, die, please. Make my life easier. I'm gonna go now. There's also some cheat code that you can use to make your wrench into a. Well, that'll come up later. I'll just say that later. Let's see, dodge, ow, get hit. I don't have enough to buy that gun, do I? No. Damn. It's gonna be a problem.